Welcome, everyone. Uh, Good afternoon, and thank you for joining today's session on Salesforce Marketing Cloud in Action. You are attending this session on ForceArk Academy, a learning platform focused on building Salesforce expertise in the Salesforce ecosystem. ForceArk Academy helps professionals and teams to gain real-world skills in Salesforce tools, and today's session is part of that mission. So let's get started. So here is what we will be covering today in this webinar. We will start with the introduction to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Kind of overview of SFMC, common marketing challenges, and how Salesforce Marketing Cloud offers solution towards for those challenges. Next is core features of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. To understand what core modules are there in SFMC. After that, we will be taking a closer look to Journey Builder with decision split. So here we will be knowing a bit, deep. We will be try to getting deep understanding of Journey Builder, and will cover real world use cases where SFMC is performing well already, and how we can use Salesforce Marketing Cloud for our marketing strategies in different kind of various industries. After that, we will start. We will try to understand the Journey Builder through a demo, and we will try to create a basic one journey with the decision splits, and we can try. We will be doing demo with one use case, and finally, if time allows, we will take question answers, and so in that way, next we are going to start with the first agenda. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Okay, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a powerful platform for intelligent, data-driven customer engagement. Right, so SFMC is a very comprehensive platform, digital marketing platform that empower brands to engage with their audience across every channel, from email and SMS to social media, push notifications, and even web. So it is designed to deliver data-driven and personalized experience at very good high scale. So what are the key, benefits or power of this SFMC? If we want to identify, then we can, say first one is unified cross-channel engagement. So this means that with SFMC, all customer touch points are connected in one place. Whether we are sending an email, delivering a push notification, or launching a web campaign, we can manage all from one single platform, which is SFMC. This ensures consistency in brand messaging and seamless customer experience. Next, if we talk about the power of or benefit of SFMC, it comes that automated data-driven journeys. So with the Journey Builder, we can automate every step of the customer journey based on real-time behavior and triggers. So like based on real-time behavior and trigger means that in middle of the journey, we are able to decide that if the subscriber is engaging with our message and going through clicking something, then what path should be customer or subscriber should follow in the journey. If not, then what should be our strategy if customer or subscriber is not engaging in our emails. So from onboarding new customers to re-engaging inactive ones, we can design responsive and personalized flow that reduce manual efforts and drive better results. So, if we talk about the, personalization, then this can be achieved through script, and which is a very widely used in journey builders and email campaigns in SFMC. So, like when we talk next about this, SFMC basics and benefits of it. So next comes as a connected customer intelligence. So this connected customer intelligence is mainly, it brings together all the customer data through contact builder. We can build rich profiles, like having all the attribute of, for say, email address and phone numbers and so on. It also allow us to segment this contact dynamically and activate those insight across the journeys, so every interaction feels informed and intentional. In marketing, it is very important that whatever message, email, or SMS we are sending, the recipient should not look that this is, kind of one system sending it, or it is sent in bulk. So personalization and, connected customer intelligence help us to achieve this. So, at last but not the least, enterprise grade performance is one thing that we can say about it is that SFMC is trusted by some of the world's largest organizations because it supports the complex multi-brand operations while maintaining data security and compliances. By saying multi-brand operations, like in SFMC, we do have option that we can create more than one business unit. So that will be, that is like if one company is there and it also has a one sister concern company. So through the SFMC platform, one platform, both the business unit can run their marketing strategies from one single platform. So like whether uh, we are looking for some, regulated industry or handling millions of contacts, it is built to perform at scale. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is built to perform at scale. So in summary, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is not just a marketing tool, but it is a strategic platform for creating intelligent, connected, and scalable customer experiences. Now, as we have, discussed about, about overview of the marketing cloud, I guess we should take a moment to talk about the common challenges that marketers face today and how SFMC directly addresses each of them. So while we try to understand that what could be the challenges that marketers face today or marketer face on a very daily basis, the first thing comes into mind is that they are facing challenge of disconnected channels. So many of marketers feel that it's a struggle to maintain consistency across emails, SMS, and other platforms. So how marketing cloud, solve this one? So marketing SFMC is providing a unified cross-channel engagement. So it centralizes all the communication within one single platform, allowing marketers to design very cross-channel, allowing marketers to design cross-channel campaigns that feels seamless to the end user. So the next challenge which we can, understand which marketers face are fragmented customer data and limited segmentation. So just try to imagine that data is scattered in the silos, and it is like when customer data lives in silos, it becomes nearly impossible to create meaningful personalized interaction. many teams struggle with poor segmentation and limited targeting. So what solution SFMC provide is it unifies the data across systems using tools like Contact Builder and giving marketers a full 360-degree view of customers. And this enable dynamic segmentation and more relevant messages in our marketing strategies. If we talk more about the challenges, then next one here is manual campaign execution and lack of scalability. So just, try to imagine running a campaigns manually for thousands of contact is definitely a difficult task for anyone. So it just running campaign manually not only takes time, but it also limits our ability to scale. So personalizing experiences for thousands or millions of customer becomes definitely unmanageable, and it does lead to less efficiency, and it is obviously error prone to run this huge campaign manually. Here comes automated and scalable journeys from SFMC. So with the journey builder and automation studio, SFMC empowers you to automate complex customer journeys. This removes all manual lift and allows us to scale the personalized marketing effortlessly. So together, this all capabilities turn today's marketing roadblocks into opportunities for growth, efficiency, and smarter engagement. So now, as we understand that how Marketing Cloud, what are the solutions being provided by Marketing Cloud? So I think now this is very right time to try to understand that through what are the core modules through which SFMC is providing all these solutions. So coming here to discuss SFMC core modules. So there are, SFMC is built around a set of core modules, each designed to manage a different aspect of customer journey. Together, these all components enable seamless and intelligent plus scalable marketing automations. So like first thing, of course, when we discuss about the core modules of SFMC, it comes Email Studio. Email Studio and Mobile Studio are the module which, very go-to tools for outbound communication. Whether it is sending personalized emails, SMS message, or push notifications, this studio help us to engage customer at right time and right place. So next, if we talk about, it comes audience and contact builder. So like this audience and contact builder is basically like allows us to create unified customer profiles by managing and linking data sources. So we here like here I would like to add one thing is that like we can integrate our SFMC with the Salesforce CRM, so we can get the data synced between both of these clouds, and those we can get unified customer profiles here. Next comes as a web studio, which help us to design cloud pages and microsites for things like lead capture, surveys, and preference centers, all integrated into Marketing Cloud ecosystem. Next one is, of course, the Journey Builder. So Journey Builder is where the real orchestration happens. It lets us automate the customer life cycle from welcome email to re-engage campaigns based on the real-time behavior and business logic. Next one is Content Builder. So the Content Builder is like we can create, manage, and reuse dynamic content across the channels. It supports drag and drop email design and content personalizations as well. So now the uh, two more core modules of SFMC are Analytics Builder and Einstein Feature. Analytics Builder is basically a module which gives us performance insights across the marketing efforts. So like we can measure the engagement, conversions, and optimize based on what is working and what is, needs improvement, or where we need to enhance our marketing strategy. That insights we can get from analytics builders, analytics builder. The next one is Einstein feature. So the Einstein feature adds a layer of intelligence to everything from send time optimization to engagement scoring, allowing us to, predict the personalized customer experience using artificial intelligence. All these modules work together to support unified data-driven marketing strategy. Okay, so like from segmentation and content creation to automation, execution, and analytics, everything in one platform is Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So now, as we understood about the core modules of SFMC, I guess this is right time to take a closer look into Journey Builder. So the Journey Builder is one of the most powerful tool, I would say, in SFMC. It is the engine that lets our automation and personalized journeys, customer journeys across multiple channels. It uses a visual drag and drop interface that is intuitive and flexible, allowing marketers to complete the complex multi-step campaign without writing any code. Whether we are working with email, SMS, push notifications, or cloud pages, Journey Builder helps us to, build cross-channel experience in one single flow. Journeys can start from variety of entry sources like data extension, API trigger, cloud page submissions, uh, or specific events like giving us control over when and how customers should enter to our campaign. If we talk about the key capabilities of Journey Builder, we can say that, we can schedule and trigger different types of sends, email, SMS, push notification based on timing and actions. We can add wait activities to space out the steps, and goal to define success metrics, and update contact element, um, update contact element to change the profile data mid-journey. So this element, update contact element, is one element which allows us to update the records, particular field or value in mid-journey as well, right? So we will have a take a look. I'll show you which element is this when we look into the demo. And it also, track real-time engagement, so we can personalize next steps based on the customer's actions like opens, clicks, or conversions. And so these are one key capabilities. Along with this, Journey Builder is having another, much more capability, but these we can consider are the key capabilities. And now if we think that why does it matter? Why we need, like, it can happen through any other simple automation as well. So the answer of this question is that it enhances the customer experience by creating smart dynamic path instead of one size fits all campaign, right? Rather than sending one particular simple or one size fits all campaign to our customers or our subscribers, we here with Journey Builder we can make the path dynamic for them. It improves the performance by responding to behavior instantly. Of course, like definitely responding trigger or responding a behavior instantly improves the performance. And it enables a taste and learn approach, helping marketers to optimize the content, timing, and strategy over the time. In short, journey builder is where automation meets personalization and making it must have for any brand who is looking to deliver scalable connected marketing. So, with this understanding of journey builder, we can move ahead with decision splits in journey builder. So, in journey builder, splits are what make our journey smart, dynamic, and personalized. They allow us to customize how each contact moves through the journey based on specific conditions. So this is, one of the most commonly used split and journey builder, I would say. It evaluates data, behavior, or attribute and branches the customer into different paths depending on those conditions. For example, you might create one path for users who clicked an email and another path for those who didn't click the email. So other type of splits are also there, which includes engagement split that tracks the actions like open and clicks. The other one is random split, which allows us to, divide the traffic for A/B testing. And the other one, next split is Einstein scoring split. And this one is, it used the Einstein AI to, artificial intelligence to guide the contact down the most likely to convert path. So this splits help us to keep our journey relevant and timely, ensuring that the customers get message tailored to their action, preference, and predicted behaviors. And once those branches run their course, you can use the join activity to bring contact from multiple paths back together. So this experience remains streamlined. In short, splits are essential to create responsive, personalized journey and that exist in real time to customers, to engage the customers. Okay, so for demo purpose, let's take use case of e-commerce website. So in this use case, we are trying to create new subscriber welcome journey. So use case scenario explains that whenever any new subscriber is signing up on the website, then subscriber should be getting series of emails. So what we want to do with this use case is that first we should be sending subscriber a welcome email, and maybe like it's for say it's a e-commerce website, so we can offer for 10% discount for their first purchase. uh, Next, if we want to check that if the uh, subscriber is engaging in the first mail, for say if yes, if it is engaging, opening email and clicking through some links, then we will show them our popular and trending products in next email. And if customer is not replying, then we can wait for 2 days and then we can try to send another email for re-engaging them, so that we can let them know that your offer for 10% discount coupon code is waiting for your first purchase. That kind of re-engagement email can be sent. So let's try to implement this scenario in Journey Builder. So for our journey, first thing we need our entry point, which we will needing, for which we will need a data extension. So now let us try to create a data extension through the contact builders, uh, data extensions, create new data extension, subscribers, demo. This external key we can give, but if we don't give, then SFMC will create a unique ID for this. Description we can add whatever we want, and this is sendable. We have to tick this checkbox to be able to send any kind of message to the contacts we are going to save in this data extension. Okay, this is data retention policy is used when we want to retain our data on some periodic time, and right now we will be keeping it off. Attributes, here we can define the fields which we want in our data extension. Let us take these three only for now: email, first name, and phone number. Email can be email address. I have kept this as a primary key so that duplication records will not be allowed in this particular data extension. And the phone number can be, let's keep it text for now, and complete. So now we have our subscribers demo data extension ready. Next thing what we will be needing is emails. So we will go to content builder, and so basically I can show you the step. From here we will be creating email message. From here we can select this much type of content type. For example, if it is a template plus amp script is used for personalization. Let me remind you one more time. Then again html plus amp script, text only email or existing email. So for our purpose we will be needing html plus amp script. Then here we will be defining name, and the next one will be adding the content over here. So to save our time, I have already created emails. So this is first email, welcome email, which we will be requiring to send. So this is basically very first email in which we want to send first purchase coupon code to the user. And here we have to define subject line. I have added personalization in subject line as well, which we can do using this feature. We have to select data extension from here, and then we will be able to select first name. Similarly here also personalization has been added. So here one thing we have to keep in mind is that we have to add this code line from this code snippet. This is like track email opens. So if this line of code is entered, then HTML will be able to give us the data based on engagement that who has been opened, or who has been clicking this kind of links, or engaging in the email, and who is not engaging. Okay, so this is one thing we need to remember whenever we are creating HTML email content. Okay, the second email is this one. Okay, so this email will be sent if particular subscriber is engaging in first email in this email. Okay, for say clicking over here and opened this email but have not made purchase yet. So we will be sending popular pics for you, like this kind of one interactive subject line can be formed, and we can send our best selling products in the email so that we encourage subscriber to make a purchase. The third one is email, which we will be sending to re-engage the customer, which means that customer has, subscriber has fully ignored this email, neither opened nor clicked anything, just subscribed and then forget. So we will needing to send re-engagement email for say that your welcome gift is waiting for you in subject line, and don't miss your 10% welcome gift. This kind of interactive email we can, create, and theme also, like style sheet and color theme also we can use as per our brand theme. So now you can see that we have 3 emails ready, we have our entry point ready, so we are good to create one journey. So let's quickly try to create the journey. Create new journey. Multi-step journey, because more than one email and decision split or engagement split will be needing in this use case. Create. Let's first give the name. Demo. Welcome subscribers. You can see this many options are available in Journey Builder for selecting entry sources. So from which entry point or which source we want to uh, we want to start the journey for customer or subscriber. So in this use case, we have created subscriber demo at data extension. So I will be drag and drop this over here. Clicking on this, I will need to select the data extension, which is subscriber demo. Okay. Filter contact, we can add filter over here, but as of now, we are not looking into it. Done. Okay. So next, what we want to do, we want to send first email. Okay. So this is entry sources right now, as we discussed and done. Next is activities. In activities, we have messages, advertising, flow control, custom update, sales and service cloud. This many options are available for journey only, right? So we will be sending one email. So we will have to select this here. Again, drag and drop, click, select the message. Select message. Now, first email we have to create. Select over here. Demo email 1, welcome subscriber. Selected. Okay, now message configuration. Okay, we can see whatever we have done, we have added in our this particular email message which we selected. Selection done. Now, after sending this email, maybe subscriber don't make purchase on very next day. So what this is wait activity. We can wait for 2 days. Okay. And then check if customer has, opened or checked this first email or not. So here comes flow control. Engagement split, we will be adding after 2 days to check. Click on the engagement split. Select the message, this one. As we already have added this message in this path, we can select this one. Okay, matrix, open or clicks. If we click here, then we can see the list of clicks. If we select this, then it will be checking if subscriber has opened it or not. So for click, open is must. So we want that even if subscriber is just opening it, then also we want to send them our popular products. So this message matrix is open. And okay, so here we can do, if we want, some other complex journey we are planning, then we can select this. And based on this, what should next email should go, we can select in this yes path. Okay, here. So right now we will be working with open only, but that can be done in this way. It's what I want to convey over here. Okay, so if the subscriber has even opened it, okay, after 2 days, what we want to do is we want to send them our best selling product list, select message. Okay, popular product. Now, if subscriber has not even opened it, then what we should be sending? Then we are trying to re-engage. So we will be sending third email. Re-engage. Okay. So after this, we will be waiting for a day. We can wait for 2 days also. It completely depends on requirement. It completely depends on our strategy, what strategy we want to follow for this particular welcoming journey for subscriber. So in this way, what this journey here we can schedule. We also can let us show me the scheduling. Here we will be using this. We have three options: run once, recurring, and automation. Here we can select automation option as well. We can select the recurring scheduling as well, that yes, okay, so for every hour this journey should run. Okay, so if I select recurring, then let's see, we are asked to set the schedule. Okay, so this is time zone, this is date, and for example, okay, so this is okay, and we want to start time should be future. Okay, let's take it hourly. Okay, this is time zone, date, start time, time zone. At what time duration we want to repeat this journey execution? We are selecting hourly. At every how many hours? Okay, at every 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Let's for say right now we are keeping it for 1 hour. We are having very good e-commerce site and we are getting new subscriber every hour. So we can keep it over here. We can also define that at what time this journey will end. So after occurrences of two, then this journey will end in 2 hours only, because first occurrence will run and first hour, second hour. Okay, so here we can select this okay, never ending. Okay, so this journey will keep on going on. We can select this after option you check. We also can define one particular date on which this journey should stop. Okay, right now let us keep it never. Contact evaluation is like on on, for example, 9 a.m. this journey ran, and on again 10 a.m. it is running. Then does this journey consider uh, all the records existing in data extension or the only new ones? So this one is recommended one, that only new records added after the journey activation should be executed to avoid, more processing time. Or if we want that, we want to check, to all the, if journey is for running for some other purpose and requirement is to evaluate all the record on each execution, then this option is available. But for our use case, this option fits well. So let us select it and done. Okay, we can save it. Journey is saved. Demo, welcome subscriber. We can validate it. So on validation, we will be able to see that if something has, we are missing or what. So here we have to add this setting. So, and contact entry is like select the contact re-entry mode. No entry, re-entry anytime, or re-entry only after exiting. So as this is multi-step journey, this option is advisable. So what does it mean? That, for example, person1@gmail.com has entered as a subscriber. Okay. Now, if I select no entry, then person one will never be able to enter in this journey. If I select re-entry anytime, then that person can re-enter into the journey even in middle of the execution. For say that we have added 2 days wait. So on second day also that person can that person can enter to the journey. But we don't want that, till customer is exiting, the till coming to the last email, they should not be able to re-enter. So we will be selecting third option and done. Now let us revalidate. Okay, here we have some issue with the content. Demo 2 and demo 3 are not having physical address. Edit. So I have explained you, right, that we have to add this for tracking engagement data. So another required thing is that we also have to add our physical address. Okay, this profile center also we have to add. It is required as well. Okay, so this much. This is, we can we can do through the setup at the time of configuration, but this is required for this particular org. So let us do it. Re-engagement, edit. We will be adding physical mailing address, which is required, and profile center as well. Save. Validate again. Okay, so here we are having 5 recommendations, but no error. So this journey is, we have test journey and activation both. So this journey is ready to be activated. Okay. So on the activation, whenever new record is added to the data extension, on hourly basis, this journey will run. And in this way, we can, using the engagement split, we can define the yes or no path for the subscribers. I hope now this demo has made journey builder and decision engagement split and decision split more understandable. Decision split, the way we are checking engagement data over here, we can check, data extensions data in decision split. So that is more or less on similar grounds. And with this, we conclude our demo over here. So after having, demo, we are here to discuss other industry use cases in real world. The way we have just seen e-commerce use case, the same way retail industry can also, drive personalized promotions based on browsing and purchase behavior of subscribers. Healthcare industry is, healthcare industry can use SFMC to deliver appointment reminders and wellness tips through, secure messaging. If we talk about the education industry, then automate admission campaigns and engage students through their personalized journeys for, say, they can get their schedule of test or exams, that kind of messaging can be achieved in education industry. Finance industry can use SFMC to send real-time alerts, product offers, and onboarding journeys to clients. Again, here travel industry is also very much, suitable for using SFMC to trigger location-based updates and loyalty offers throughout the customer journey. So I hope we are good with this industry possible implementations, and variety of industries of SFM industries who can use SFMC. And with that, I would like to conclude the webinar over here. But let's continue the conversation. If you are having a industry specific marketing goals, then let's discuss how SFMC can help you achieve them. Or even if you are looking to upskill yourself in SFMC, we are happy to guide you through the learning path. You can contact us at contact@ForceArkAcademy.com, or you can even follow us on LinkedIn. With that, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for joining in, and I appreciate your time, and thanks again. If you are looking for any specific, topic to be covered in upcoming sessions, for say in Marketing Cloud only, then share it with us, and we will try to, cover those topics as well. Thanks once again for joining in, and have a good day ahead. Thank you.